Hi folks, in this particular video we will be going to discuss about very common like data structures in any kind of a DSA. Basically it's arrays in Python basically. Okay, so you will be going to understand that broader perspective and broader specifics about it right now. So let me open my open board and let me explain you what are the things we'll be going to discuss in this particular video. Basically, all right then, we will be going to discuss in this particular video about the uh, arrays basically. Okay, so I am not going to discuss these arrays with respect to concept base basically. In the with respect to concept, you will get tons of videos in YouTube. Okay, so it is a guide, one of the beginners guides to data structures. Okay, now understand, imagine like this basically. You are you are staying in one house. Okay, you are moving out into a new house, right? This is a new house, right? This is an old house. This is a new house basically, right? This is a new house basically. This is an old house, this is a new house. Okay. You needed to pack your belongings to shift your places to new house. Right. So what you decided basically folks, what you decided basically. You have to arrange the items into one particular pack of bags, rows or something, right? You have to arrange it, right? Each box contains different clothes, books, or anything, right? So each rack belonging to something, some data. Let's suppose you have some clothes arranged into something, right? Right, something or a different. You have a favorite snack. You have in the box. You have a favorite snack, so that you have to packed up everything, right? So this row of boxes is similar to how arrays work, similar to this how arrays work in programming. Arrays work in programming. Understood? I hope you understood the overview, what's an arrays, introduction about it. So whenever you wanted to shift your belongings from old house to new house, you have taken the new house. So what you are doing, you are taking all your particular clothes, shops, everything related to the books that you wanted to shift it into the new place, new house basically. So in today's video we will be going to discuss into a fascinating world of an arrays in Python, a fundamental concept of an arrays. Okay, fundamental concept of data structures and algorithm. By what you will be expecting by end of this video, I will be explaining you here. Okay, by end of this video you will be understand how these arrays look like storing pieces of information efficiently, storing the information efficiently. Okay, are you able to understand? This is a you will be expecting from this particular video basically. So now we'll be going to understand what you have understood. Okay, what you have understood the arrays concept now. Arrays in Python is a collection of items, right? In Python, arrays are nothing but what? Collection of an items, right? Collection of an items. Okay, collection of an items. Each item element represents and storing a specific position, which is known as index. This is an index. Let's suppose 1, 2, the this numbers is getting stored. So that can be represented by using the index as we have talked in earlier. Okay, so these are the indexes. Okay, by using what we will be like position of that particular element will be going to place it. This labeling each box with a number, so you can find it easily used by representing by use of the indexes, right? All right, so by using the indexes you will be representing and you will be accessing those elements basically here basically. Okay, so now you can find it easily by using by representing the index value. Okay, so that you can access these elements basically, right? So let's say let's consider one scenario. Okay, consider one scenario where let's say you are storing your favorite snacks. Okay, you are storing your favorite snacks in a box. Okay, in an array. Okay, each snacks like in this box, what you are doing, you are collecting one group of a chips, one group of a biscuits, right? Each and every element you are going to store here. Okay, so now, so candy or a candy. So represent element. Okay, if you wanted to represent this elements in an array, okay, you can access the snack by its position of an array, right? If you wanted to access it, you have to hold your hands, you have to open this particular box, and you have to your position move your position into the specific location, right? Are you able to understand, folks? So, what you are going to do? Let's suppose I am giving an overview for you, folks. Okay, let's suppose you have a store. You have stored some of the set of snacks. Let's suppose biscuit, cookies, chips, banana chips, or anything. So, if you wanted to take this particular snack, what you will do? You will open the particular like vessel, and you will be going to have to move down to that specific location, right? You can relate it similarly with respect to an array, basically. Okay, are you able to understand? This is a thing of clear understanding of the example, clear example of an array, basically. So this particular recording, this particular video is all about to understand, to visualize how the arrays is all about. Okay, are you understanding? This is an array basically, folks. So arrays, it's very very important, folks. I am focusing this DSA basically on development things, so that you will correlate this DSA with respect to one intuition, with respect to one example, basically, folks. So now how you will be exploring this array usages. Okay, how you can relate it. Now next thing, you will be, it's okay, Akash. Now we understood what is an array, what's a real example, and in how the things you need to access it. Okay. Hey Akash, you understood what you explained me. What is an array? What is it this thing? What is it this thing with respect to real world scenarios? But so how we can explore this array usage, right? How we can rather explore this usage, how we can think think it, and how we can understand and how arrays are used in real life scenarios, basically. So how they translated into the Python programming, basically I will explain you. Okay, so you will understand. Okay, this particular video is all about understanding in the real world use cases how we will be accessing these things. First real world application is to-do list. Okay, so comment down below, folks, which kind of an application you wanted to build, so that you will understand the areas with practical perspective, basically. In this particular channel, we will all talk about the practical application, understanding DSA with respect to a practical application. It's all about it. Okay, to-do list. Okay, imagine what you are doing is, you have a to-do list with the task like grocery shipping, milk, pay bills, go for a run, go for a walk. You have a list of you have a list of bunch of tasks, right? How you can represent this to-do list, okay, as an array in Python. Okay, you can represent the to-do list as an array. Okay, this allows you to easily to add, easily to remove, easily to modify the task as needed as per your need. This is a particular one kind of an application. Okay, so second real world application, if you wanted to talk about, yeah, that will talk about student grades. Okay, student grades. So student grades is how it is. Basically, suppose you are a teacher, you wanted to keep track of the student grades. Okay, you have to use the store grades for each student in your class. Each element, each student in an array represents the student grade. Okay, each element, each student, each element means here what? Each student has a student grade for that particular student. For particular student, we have a grade for that, so that we can track on the things. This allows you to quickly to access, basically based on what? Roll number, right? Based upon the roll number, we can access particular student's data, right? Third example is sensor data. Let's suppose you have imagined Google, Alexa kind of thing. They will be going to like build certain system for all together for the home itself, right? The smart home system, the sensor collects the data on temperature, right? Sensor collects the data on temperature, humidity, light levels. Okay, you can store such kind of data in arrays basically. Okay, where arrays are using and how you can explore it, that particular example I have given. Basically, sensor data, you can take it and you can analyze the trends to make an informed decision based on the sensors readings basically. Now, this you understood. Now overall, like what's the conclusion of overall this particular topic? Conclusion of overall topic. Okay, so arrays in Python are like a row of boxes. Okay, row of boxes. Okay, understand row of a boxes. There are row of a boxes. Okay, row of boxes, it provides a structured way to access the information basically. If you take an example of library management system, so librarian will be taking the information. So let's suppose you are telling that this particular book I want, computer science and fundamentals I want. So you will go that particularly and you will access it and you will use it, right? So the such kind of a data you are representing here basically, right? So you are storing the data and accessing the information basically. Okay, so this is a particular thing, whether it is managing a task, tracking the grades, or analyzing the sensor data. Arrays concepts play a crucial role in various applications. Okay, I hope this has helped you to understand the concept of arrays in Python and how they are used in real world scenarios. And they stay tuned for more such kind of a data structures and algorithms for further enhance your programming skills. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, folks. Until then, happy coding and great day ahead, and one and all. So keep progressing, keep understanding everything. I hope this particular valuable information has reached up to you. So this is all about this particular video, folks. In next video, we will be going to understand about how we will be understanding arrays in real syntax wise, how we can understand the logical wise how the things is going to work out. Okay, this is all about the data structures part in arrays concept. In the next video we'll be going to talk about it. Okay, that's all about this video, folks. I hope you understood. If you like anything specifics you wanted to have in next video, just comment down below in the description, so that I will record the video and you will be getting such more content to you. For to get such more videos, folks, please subscribe to my channel to get get updated content to you, and you will be getting the notification in your mobile or a desktop app or anything. Okay, folks, this is all about the things. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. I hope you enjoy this particular video. We will meet in the next video. That's it about this video.